Hello, Ryan from Xpnent here. I want to just give you a quick update on what we can do with brand consistency across multiple locations. So, what I'm doing now is I'm going to go to our marketing section of my headquarter location. I'm going to go to our brand boards. I'm going to go add a design kit, and I can choose one of these kind of color palettes that we've got. There's a few here, as you can see, sort of dusk versus various others, collections of shades, selections of colors. But of course, you've probably already done your branding, and so you want to be able to update it all yourself. So once you do that, you can upload your logo in a rectangle and a square and put your primary typography and styling like this here. Now, what we do here is, you go through, upload a logo, for instance, could be Nick's beautiful face. And then what we do is we save the board. So just give it a name, and I'm just going to call this the Xpnent Default Branding 2025. And what we can do is we can save that. Now, what I do is I push this into individual locations. And I won't bore you with the details, but it's through our system called snapshotting. So we basically are able to take what we've done at HQ and we want to push that out to specific locations. Now, those locations might be doing something like building an email. So what I might do here is I'm saying, okay, well, I want to build an email campaign at HQ, and I want to send that campaign to other locations. So here we go. I'm going to create a new campaign. And of course, I could have pre-created templates that you've created so that your franchisees can select ones that you've pre-approved and that they're already in their CRM when they're ready to run a campaign. Otherwise, you say, we might do it from blank. Now, let's just say I've gone and I'm pretty tech savvy. I'm going to build my own campaign. So let's just say this is, Ryan's new launch campaign. Okay. Now, when I am styling something, okay, which will give me, I'm just going to go here, go back. So let's have a look at, I think I did plain text. What I wanted to do was do the design editor, not the plain text editor. I apologize. So now we've got a visual way of getting these elements onto the canvas, okay? So let's just say I pick the template, and then what I can do is I can, in the template, when I'm picking my colors, it will default to show me the brand colors. So if you want to empower franchise owners or individual marketing people at your network's locations, give them local autonomy to be able to run their own campaigns, you're able to provide HQ brand approved, marketing approved throughout the entirety of their tech stack, their CRM, their marketing automation stuff, which is all provided through our Xpnent CRM. And of course, if you ever run into trouble, it's always backed by our 24/7 support, and we help with education and onboarding and training, and of course, all of those good things. But I just wanted to give you a quick look on how we can create brand boards and ensure that every franchisee has access to what we've approved. Thanks for watching.